Ashley here with the Cinderella, and I am going to review NPET, the gaming keyboard. So this looks really fun, so I'm excited to review this. Just, oh, I don't know, it just fell. Okay. How fun is this? Comes with all kinds of little instructions. Okay, so NPET, I've reviewed many of their products and I really like this brand. I've reviewed things from the camping lantern to headsets to computer mouse, some computer speakers, so all kinds of stuff. They make a ton of stuff. If you're ever searching for them, you can go on Amazon and find a ton of stuff that they have under the brand NPET. So N as in Nancy, P-E-T, NPET. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna try and plug this in and see how this works. Ooh, look at. Okay, look how fun that is. It's all lit up. Can you see that? That's a fun keyboard. Okay, I'm gonna unplug it because it's making my computer do crazy things. Okay, much better. Okay, so just to tell you about this product right now is available on Amazon. And let's go over here. We will go look for it. And I will tell you exactly how much it is selling for right now on Amazon. So I think it retails for $22.99. So that's what it's on there for right now, the same one. They do have a black version that has a $5 coupon that you can apply, so that would be $16.99, but this pink one is $22.99. There is a white one, so this is pink. There's a white one that is $22.99 plus you can apply a $3 coupon, so there is that. So that'll be $19.99. So there's that. So a little bit about this keyboard. It is a professional gaming keyboard. It has UV coated keys, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys this a little bit closer so you can see the keys. It does make noise. It does have where you can stand it up. So, show you that. So, high quality floating keyboard. It's definitely floating. You can see that the keys are floating. It's pretty nice. This is a nice keyboard. I like that it even has the little feet on here so it won't scratch up surfaces. Little rubber feet. Other things to know about this keyboard is, so it is a gaming one, so you're going to notice some of the symbols are different. Can you see that? Okay. I do like that it has the numbers to the side. They don't just cut it off. Easy to operate. I mean, literally you saw I unboxed it and plugged it into my computer and it worked immediately. Very cool. I think I might actually give this to my daughter Avery for Christmas. So this would be a great gift idea for a gamer in your life. So $20, around less than $25, and they would have something that they would use, which is a gaming keyboard. I like that it lights up. Most gamers love like all the extra little features of lights on their products. So this is pretty cool. So another gift idea. I hope you guys have good holiday, and Thanksgiving is right around the corner and Christmas is just around that corner. I'm gonna leave the link to this product below so you can go ahead and shop from the different colors. Like I said, the black one is currently on sale for $21.99, so it's $1 off, and you can apply a $5 coupon to it to make it $16.99. This pink one is $22.99. There is a white version that is $22.99, and it has a $3 coupon that you can apply to make it $19.99. So those are some fun stuff. Happy shopping. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you can leave it below. Make sure you check out thespinderella.com for all the latest deals. I've been posting deals every single day, so hopefully you're scoring some of those deals for this holiday season, the gift giving season. Stay healthy. Bye.